mano. Começa não. Me dá saída.
Hey guys, it's the Beauty Bins here, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how I dye my eyebrows using men's beard dye. So I'll be using the Just for Men's dye in the color dark brown. I'll also be using tweezers, some concealer, that is the color base and developer. I'll be using an angled brush, a spoolie and a Q-tip to clean up, and a washcloth. So first, I'm gonna start by cleaning up the hairs around my eyebrows. Now I'm just wiping off any excess hairs. So I'm gonna start with this container that came in the pack, and I'm gonna put the color base in. And then I'm going to add the developer. And now I'm going to use my Q-tip, one end of my Q-tip, and I'm going to mix these two together. I'm going to wait on the mixture to start turning brown before I start using it. And now I'm just applying this on my eyebrows as if I were filling them in. So you can use concealer to make sure the dye doesn't get on places you don't want. You can also use Vaseline, but I trust myself to do this without using either. So I'm just filling my brows in, and if I make any mistakes, then I will clean that up with the Q-tip. So cleaning up any mistakes I made. I'm setting a timer for 10 minutes. Okay, so I decided to wipe it off after 5 minutes because I got kind of worried. And this is what it looks like thus so far. So I'm gonna go back with another layer of the dye, and I'm gonna let that sit for 5 minutes. Okay, now I'm moving on to my other eyebrow.
I didn't realize it would sometimes feel more than whole, but the wholeness was a rather luxurious idea, because it's the whole.
So when doing this, I definitely recommend doing a patch test just to see how your skin responds to the dye. Some people may have more sensitive skin, or they may have some allergies that cause them to break out. So make sure you guys do a patch test before you do this. So I feel like this is something I'm gonna do probably, I'd say, once a week or maybe once every 2 weeks. This is probably one of my favorite DIYs, right next to my Nair. So I'll say for each brow, I apply the dye twice for 5 minutes each time. Okay, and I'm wiping off my brows for the final time. All right, and looks like we're finished. So I'm gonna throw some makeup on and show you guys how this looks with a full face of makeup with no eyebrow makeup. So in this, I have concealer around my eyebrows, foundation, and liner. But I have no makeup on my eyebrows, and this is the result. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching.